Yoga Sutras 113. Before I start the reading for today, the last reading was 112, which was these mental modifications are restrained by practice and non-attachment. 13 is Tatra Sithau Abhyasa Yatna Abhyasa, which is of these two, effort toward steadiness of mind is practice. Here Patanjali means continuous practice, not just for 1 or 2 days. You have to always be at it, not just for a few minutes a day and then allowing the mind to have its own free time. All the other hours, it means you become eternally watchful, scrutinizing your thoughts, every word, every action. So how do we do that? Practice becomes firmly grounded when well attended to for a long time without break and in all earnestness. So it's supposed to take about 40 days to develop a habit. So, a good way to start a practice, a consistent practice, everyday practice, is to do it at the same time every day and give yourself a goal, a simple goal, to start 5 minutes every single day and around the same time of day. For me, it has been a meditation practice every morning when I wake up. No matter what, I spend at least 5 minutes either listening to a guided meditation or doing silent meditation. The next one is 114. We already said that. (115). The consciousness of self-mastery in one who is free from craving for objects seen or heard about is non-attachment. So that yoga is practice and non-attachment, which leads to stilling the mind, and self-mastery is one who isn't craving objects seen or unseen. So, when I'm always looking at my attachments, and my attachments I can distinguish by, if I think about, usually my attachments are people. And so if I think about a person and an emotion gets triggered or is riled up because of the person I'm thinking of, there's an attachment there. And, it's good to be attached or to people you love in your life, but what if you love the people in your life without that attachment? Then your love, it becomes unconditional. It doesn't matter where they are, what they do, and who they are in life. You still love them. So that's my self-mastery challenge, is being able to have my emotions be focused on love with in relationship to my personal attachments. So one of my daily practices to still the mind is my yoga asana practice. And it can be as simple as just stretching up and my back pops when I do that, or folding forward, and I like to always start with the knees slightly bent and paying attention. Please join me. So after I do some of my yoga asana practice and maybe some sound healing, I start to really feel more myself, more quiet in the mind, a little more free, a little more me. Developing a daily practice, however you do it, whenever you do it. Again, being consistent, setting yourself a minimum time goal. And some days you just do your 5 minutes and then you're finished, but other days you might feel the need to continue and spend more time with yourself. I like to do it first thing in the morning so that I can get connected and aware of my own authenticity. So, getting connected to your own authenticity through your asana physical practice, your daily meditation practice, really makes the day much more fulfilling, purposeful, productive. And the bonus is you are stronger, fitter, healthier. Alright, and since it's morning, it helps to just really tune in and feel. Notice how your body feels and get connected to what your body needs. My body needs a lot of stretching in all directions, a lot of movement, but, well, a variety of movements, not exactly a lot of movement. I'll do more of that later when I go for a walk. Ah, that felt good. I like to finish my practice with visiting my bowls. Take a moment to close your eyes and contemplate the reading for today, practicing every day, unceasing with all earnestness. Namaste. Mm-hmm.